In our last example, we're going to look at how to calculate a moles per litre, which is by far the most used method for calculating a concentration, because moles is the fundamental unit. So a concentration equals the number of moles over a volume. Remember, this formula can be found on the data sheet, but it's written in the format of number of moles equals C over V, C times V. So that can be found on the data sheet. So let's look at the first example. Calculate the number of moles of sulfuric acid if we have 150 ml of 2.5 molar sulfuric acid. So I write the formula, number of moles of sulfuric acid equals CV. The concentration was 2.5 and the volume was 150 ml, which we need to convert to litres, which is 0.15, and this comes out to 0.375 moles. Let's try a second example. In this example, it says calculate the concentration in moles per litre of silver nitrate by giving 5.09 grams of silver nitrate and 250 ml of solution. Well, the first thing is you don't have a mole. So you're going to have to find the mole, so the number of moles of silver nitrate equals mass over formula mass. So the mass is 5.09 and the formula mass of silver nitrate is 169.91, and this comes out to 0.029957 moles. Next step, the concentration of silver nitrate is equal to number of moles divided by volume. The number of moles is 0.029957. The volume is 250 ml, but it must be converted to litres, which is 0.25, and this comes out to 0.120 moles per litre.